Water scarcity or the non-availability of safe drinking water is one of the major problems the world is facing, and it affects around 1.1 billion people globally, which means 1 in every 6 people lack access to safe drinking water. This water scarcity leads to poverty, food scarcity, education barriers, diseases, social and economic dependence of women, livelihood insecurity, degradation in human and environmental health. Around one-third of nations globally face water scarcity, but sub-Saharan Africa has the largest number of countries facing water scarcity. Water scarcity has affected more than 320 million people in Africa, and it is estimated that by 2030, 75 million to 250 million people in Africa will be living in areas with high water stress, and it can displace between 24 million and 700 million people as living conditions become more worse. Reasons for water scarcity. Climate change. Although Africa is least responsible for climate change, it has seen the effects due to climate change like changing rainfall patterns leading to decreasing food security, decreasing fish population in lakes due to rising temperature, and rising of sea levels in coastal areas with high population. With rising temperature, interior regions of Africa will receive 10% less rainfall and also experience water loss. Economic and physical scarcity. Water scarcity is both natural and human-made phenomena. Economic scarcity means finding a reliable source of safe water is expensive and time-consuming. Physical scarcity is when there is not enough water within a given region. Most of the sub-Saharan Africa suffers from economic scarcity because of the people's lack of necessary monetary funds to utilize adequate sources of water. Political and ethnic conflicts have contributed to unequal distribution of water resources. Regional variance. Non-availability of clean water can also be attributed to extreme African climates. Sub-Saharan Africa's rainwater is seasonal and unevenly distributed. Low economic development and poverty along with increase in population have added to water scarcity problem. Ways to fight water scarcity. United Nations Economic Commission for Africa identifies the need to develop Africa's potential water resources to reduce water shortage problem, ensure food security, and help manage droughts, floods, and stop desertification. As per their suggestions, wells, rainwater catchment area, and clean water storage tanks need to have proper infrastructure and timely improvements. A more basic solution to help fight water scarcity in Africa includes installation of cost-effective and low-maintenance toilets and teaching people how to use them efficiently. To obtain clean drinking water, filtration methods and devices can be used to eliminate waterborne diseases. Limitations. Africa is home to largest number of water-scarce countries in the world, and also countries where getting help related to water issues is difficult. Water-scarce regions are finding it difficult to get help since lack of industrial technology does not provide sustainable solutions. Local governments have been involved in tense situations with foreign non-governmental organizations, and solving water scarcity problem has become more difficult. In some urban areas, poor people end up spending 4 to 10 times more for clean water as compared to rich, thus keeping them away from clean water and the clean water technology also. Due to all these reasons, 50% of water projects fail, less than 5% projects are actually properly worked upon, and less than 1% have any long-term effects.